Hello, everybody. One of the things that I've done for a long time is read and study the King James Version of the Holy Bible. And I was asked one time to teach Sunday school, and I said, "Well, Brother Jesse, I can't teach Sunday school, but I can facilitate a Bible study class." And my thinking is that the Bible speaks for itself, and that it really doesn't need man's interpretation. The Bible to me is the living Word, and as your spirit within you, God within us, I call it the Holy Spirit. Through that textbook, it's kind of like the operations manual for the human and spirit body to be combined. We're told that we must be born again, and being born again is not like going back in the womb and coming out again. Being born again is where the melding of, I call this body my animal body. When I go to the doctor for a checkup or something, he's my veterinarian, and the veterinarian takes care of this. The Holy Spirit, the God within me and within you, and he's really within all of us. It's not exclusive. He makes his abode with you. So anyway, I want to start a Bible study, and just start at the very beginning with the King James Version, Genesis 1 right on through. And anyway, if you'd like to join these, I'm going to record these sessions and just go one time at a time. And so you're welcome to pull out your King James Version Bible. The reason I use King James is because of the Strong's Concordance. The Strong's Exhaustive Concordance, every word that's in the Bible is in that concordance, and it translates it back to the original Greek and Chaldean languages. And there's some that as you take on, really studying those, you can do it. This is not going to be in reference using the Strong Concordance. This is just strictly taking the original King James Version and going through each step of the text and word and the completeness that has been passed down from generation to generation. I hope it blesses you, because it does bless me. And I love to hear those words, and I try to read the Bible through at least once a year. So if you're interested, turn it on. If it offends you, I'm sorry. It's part of my life, and I want to share that with those that wish to share it with me. So stay tuned, and we'll get started after I post this video. And we'll see you later.